we go. Sunday morning, January 20th, 2013. Don's got his Trex-500 flybarless helicopter, all rebuilt, repaired from a previous crash. Then he had some B-Stex setup issue, which resulted in some damaged main blades last time. So it's all ready to go. Don's gonna fly it. Beautiful helicopter. Absolutely beautiful. Don's getting ready, getting his camera set up and his transmitter and his shady hat.
My old man glasses.
Did you get that shady hat from the government? Because everything they do is shady.
That's my Bronco hat.
Alright.
Alright, guys.
Let's see if I can keep it within frame.
Maiden on my Trex-500
His maiden after his crash. Over here and stand by my car. You got a walker on the right with the three-legged dog. Everything looks good so far. Helicopter looks beautiful in the air. The green really stands out. Sounds like idle up now. Whoa, front flip. There it is. Couldn't find it. How was it?
Nice.
Is it better?
Nice.
Well, his knees aren't knocking together. He's all smiling, so must have been good. Looked nice and smooth, looked like it flew really well.
Oh man, made me nervous, so made me shaky.
Nervous and shaky. We're gonna have to videotape it again, because during the flight I lost you in the frame, because I can't see you in the screen, the view screen.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks for watching.